Good afternoon. I just got dropped off at trail, and I'm thinking a little bit of a shorter day today, since I'm still kind of recovering from the 4-stage challenge. I did get a bunch of blister stuff, but yeah. Another hiker just came up to me and it's like, yo, you look awful. I'm just like, yeah, thank you, thanks, I don't know. And it's just like, you hydrated? I'm just like, I think so. It's like, you get in electrolytes, you have pills? I'm just like, what? It's like, electrolyte pills, and then he gave me one. So it's just like, he's like, you're supposed to put it in water, but honestly, you could probably just eat it, so like, oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh my god. I am officially at the shelter. This is not the shelter I want to stay at. The next shelter is in like 4 miles or 3 miles. And I want to stay at that shelter. So that's the ultimate plan. And like, I don't know. I'll take it easy. The weasels are a day behind me, I think. The dumpster kids are like 5 days behind me. Almost like a week behind me at this point. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I don't think they're planning on doing the 4-state challenge, so which means they're a week behind me. But yeah, so until then, let me introduce you to my new temporary family. So it's me, Tetanus, my blister, Todd, and my cicada. Come on. And my pet cicada, Jasmine. Jasmine, smile for the camera. Okay guys, I am at the shelter that I was originally going to, so like, yeah, 5 miles. I kind of regret not zeroing, but like, maybe I'll zero in the next town, maybe, I don't know, and I don't know. I've not looked at my blister yet, but like, Jasmine, she's still hanging on. So yeah, tomorrow I think we're breaking right before the halfway point. So I think tomorrow, if Jasmine is still around, I'll dedicate the vlog to her. So yeah. But anyways, blisters still hurt, knees are sore, I am tired. I'm also behind in editing, so like, I'm sorry. Even though you can't really tell unless I'm that behind in editing, which I really hope I'm not. Anyways, I think that's it. So, I'm continuing north tomorrow. Peace.